Hello everyone. It is a big pro gamer here, and there's a random man who stopped for some reason. And that is my dog. Again, we are on top of the car. Well, you've never seen me on top of the car, but we are on top of the car. And my dad's getting rid of it. Poor car. Poor. Oh, that does look a bit like the sky. The reflection of. Oh, that's all dog scratches. Look at that ass, do. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. Oh my god. Who wants to be blinded? It's so perfect. It's so perfect. Oh! Now, I was thinking of, like, seeing me act weird in public type thing, like sitting on top of this car. And I'm going to be doing something a bit near the end of the video that's a bit weird. You can't see him. He's a stranger. Say hello, Angel. And see inside of your ear. Oh, the earwax. Just like a fox. Yeah. So, next person to come around will get to be, you guys should catch me. The Animal in the Wild. Sponsored by The Animal in the Wild. Enjoy my sexy. Hello, man with a jacket. Bird with a jacket. What? Is that a lady? Is that a lady friend? Ew. Or is that a lady friend? Oi. I want to hear. Angel, come here. Angel. Angel. Oh! Come on, Angel, up. Angel. She doesn't know what's going on. Ooh, she's on the glass. If that shattered, I would be in so much trouble. Here's watching the dog fall. Dun 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 Totally seeing the dog fall. Ready? When she jumps, I'll push her back legs. I was only kidding, I'm not that mean. Where am I come? She just farted. She actually just farted. She just farted. I wish you guys could hear that. Hopefully you could hear that because I was so close to her. Personally arse. Yeah, so I am actually on top of the car. Just because my dad's going to get rid of it, as I already said. So, he doesn't care about it. My dog tried to get on top of the roof, but I didn't laugh. Oh, Angel. Silly. So we could burn it. I don't think the council would allow that. No. And there's not that many people here. The duck. Wait. Wet. And we'll also be doing a spying. Probably be a bit of an... Oh, there's a guy coming. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah, over there, I'm everywhere. I'll be in the trees. I was only kidding, I... You see this? 5 minutes. Oh, he's not coming, he's not coming. You guys can see. I had a movement. Dun, dun. And I'll also be doing hiding things. Probably isn't like your average channel. I know we're not going to be that popular and all that, but hopefully one day it will be. I mean, I don't really care about the views. I don't really care about the numbers. Just, I think of it how many supporting you and who likes me doing videos, because I just think it's really cool. My cousin will also be making a YouTube account. It's just he thinks he's got to do whatever I do, and it annoys me, and I don't care if he watches this. Oh yeah, what's he going to say? You told me to, it was my idea. Really, I said I couldn't get into the Noobcast account because he changed his flipping password. And I started my new YouTube channel, and now he thinks that he gets to make one and start doing it as well. And no, I might tag him in a couple if I'm ever playing with him. I'm going to be doing PS3 ones I've already done. I'm going to be doing PC ones, definitely PC Minecraft. I haven't played that for ages, like half a year maybe. So that should be good. And also, if you guys have got any ideas for me to do around my little neighbourhood, obviously I've got get on top of the car, but that's already done. I wouldn't get on top of anybody else's car, because me and my cousin are actually starting a gang. And hopefully that should be good. Who the fuck is that? Is he pissed? Oh shit, is he gonna pop? Fuck, he looks like a fucking meth person. Woohoo! Move. Get out of my feet. I don't like my feet being touched. No. No. Dragged me off the car then. You dragged me off the car, Angel. Are you being serious? She dragged me off the car just to see someone. I'm not racist. Angel. Up. I can't get up if you're up. Fuck, I've got to get up now. How noobish is that? Whoa, I'm really hitting on your tail. Angel. I'm coming. Oh no. That looks like Lee. Angel. Careful. That's like Lee. We'll read our school. Angel, up. Angel, up. I'm gonna try and get up how my dog gets up. Right, everybody. It worked. I'm up. I'm slipping. I'm up. So cool. When you're a dog, everything's cool. 'Cause I'm a homo. And no one looks at my ass. I'm that Bennett fam. So everybody, this has been the first episode. It's pretty much just been like a little vlog of what I'm going to do. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be straight on, maybe do something with my dog out here and then make another video or something or so. Don't know. Then, see you guys later. Pro out. Brunch.